So hey, it been a minute. Life been lifing, okay? But look, I got this Bare Lace 5 unit from Sensational via Ebony line, and she is popping to me, okay? So go ahead and check out this install. Also, don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys like videos like this, or if you get some game from these videos, okay? Because that's what I'm here for. So
she don't wanna be a freak no more. She says she don't wanna be a freak no more. Oh, I think she lying.
Alright, so this is straight from the box. I got this joint from Ebony line, like I said earlier, and it is so full and pretty. This is a 13x6. It's not a human hair blend, it is synthetic, and this is the Bare Lace Unit 5. I got it in 1B. Now, as you can see, the lace is lacing. Like, you just can't see no knots, you can't see no flaws. Like, the lace is just popping. I would suggest, honestly, with these Bare Lace units, don't put any like makeup or concealer or spray concealer or wig tint or anything on these units until after you've installed them, especially if you're a dark skinned girl like me that has multiple colors. And the reason I say that is because even though this root color up is the same color as I would normally wear, it still ended up dark. And so I just feel like with the Bare Lace units, because I've done Bare Lace 1, Bare Lace 2, and Bare Lace 5. So I just feel like with the Bare Lace units, you really don't need any concealer or anything like that. And if you feel like you do, just make sure you check first. Okay? Now, we're just going to go ahead and glue it on normally. As you can see, I did my bald cap. I did not put any makeup on my bald cap. For some reason, I just feel like I'm not getting good adherence when I'm doing that with my lace. So since I got that HD bald cap, I just left it as it was. Okay, you pretty much won't be able to see it if you got your lace covered. Now you can use makeup if you decide, but I like a really good clean install, and so that's what gives it to me. Now I also stopped using a blow dryer. I ain't gonna hold you. Using a blow dryer makes it to where the glue, I don't know, it just does something different. It's just, or you can just use too much heat and literally just dry it completely. And it's better if you don't do it like that. So use a fan. I use a painter's fan sometimes, or just a handheld fan is fine. But I use a fan, and fans work great. Now, when you're putting on the glue, make sure that you're doing very, very thin layers. Also, make sure that they're clear before you install your unit on there. I know you see other people do it. It works for a better install and a longer lasting install if you do it when it's clear. I'm just gonna tell you. Now, right now, what I'm doing is I'm taking the comb and going through to make sure that it looks like a natural hairline. This unit was a little bit bigger for me. This is a big head friendly unit, and it has your normal things, you know, the 2 combs on the sides and 1 in the back, as well as an adjustable strap, as well as a band in the back. Okay, because it is glueless, I just glue it on, you know, because it's bigger. Like I said, this is a big head friendly unit. All right, so if you got a small head, honey, you want to make sure you're working it on as much as possible, and you're using those straps, the adjustable straps. And as you can see, I did do 2 layers at first before I put the unit on. Then I put the unit on, and now I'm doing another layer. As you can see, I did let it dry clear before I'm pushing down, and I'm making sure my unit's all the way on. Okay, I suggest don't put it down all the way until you got it exactly where you want it. That is the best way when the unit's too big. Now I'm going through making sure that, like I said, my hairline looks very natural. the inside of that portion right there where the hair meets the wefts. I want to make sure it looks natural. And so that's what I do. Now, like I said, it did get too dark because of me adding the L'Oreal concealer. I suggest, if you're going to use it, because I use it still, I just learned how to perfect it. So I only use one layer instead of multiple like I did. But as you can see, it still looks good. It's still giving. So now I'm just going to go through like I always do with my EBIN spray. And if you're going to use EBIN products, make sure they match. So I used the red glue EBIN adhesive as well as the red spray adhesive so that they have the same formula. And I go through and do this again to make my hairline look natural. And so you just do this. I promise it will give you a natural hairline, because I don't do baby hair. Not all the time. I tried a couple times, but normal, my install will not have baby hairs. So this is what I do in order to compensate for that. Now see, y'all, if you like videos like this, make sure to fuck with your girl. I be giving y'all gems. I really, really do. Okay? I be throwing it out there. So, like, comment, and subscribe if you like videos like mine that I be doing, because I be trying to show y'all everything. Also, make sure if you comment, you know what I'm saying, leave comments that are positive. We're not doing no negativity over here. So, just know that. But I love y'all, and we are done with this install. I will see y'all soon. Stay tuned for what it looked like on me, because she is popping. I had so much fun on Halloween installing this hair. I had fun wearing the hair. It is a very bushy joint. Don't get it twisted, okay? But if you're like me and you like a lot of hair, this is the unit for you. It'll last you about 3 days. It is a tangler if you got nails, but she's gorgeous. Look, gorgeous. Look at that edge, or excuse me, hairline. Look at that, popping, like just got it popping. And so for my part, I did go in and put lighter makeup so that it'll look right. But other than that, thank y'all for being here. I love y'all.